Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video, we will see the official specifications of Vivo's smartphone Vivo iQOO 005 5G. So at the beginning, I want to say please subscribe my channel to know the updated specifications of the new mobile phones. So let's see what is in the official specifications of the phone. The phone has network mode GSM, CDMA, HSPA, LTE and 5G, and the phone has memory space of 128GB with 8GB of RAM and 128GB with 12GB of RAM, and another version have 256GB with 12GB of RAM. The phone is coming in two colors, and the two colors are blue and grey. And USB has type C 1.0 reversible connector USB on the go. The display has AMOLED capacitive touch screen, 16 million colors. Display size is 6.56 inches and 86.5% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the phone is 6.30 into 2.98 into 0.33 inches and weight 197 grams. The phone has Android 10 operating system and chipset Qualcomm SM8250 Snapdragon 865, and the CPU is getting Octa-core 1 into 2.84 GHz Cairo 585 and 3 into 2.42 GHz Cairo 585 and 4 into 1.8 GHz Cairo 585. You can get the sensor in the phone or fingerprint under display, optical, an accelerometer, gyro, proximity compass, and the battery is lithium polymer 4500 mAh non-removable with capacity of fast charging 55 watt. As always, the phone has dual SIM, dual standby facility, but the SIM must be nano. There is a loudspeaker for sound, but no 3.5mm jack. You get the main camera triple 50 megapixel flash 1.9 wide, 13 megapixel flash 2.5 and another camera 13 megapixel flash 2.2, 120 degrees 16mm ultra wide. Video type facility at a maximum of 8K and 4K, 30 frames per second. And get the selfie camera single, 16 megapixel flash 2.5 wide. So friends, this was the official specifications of today's Vivo iQOO 005 5G model. Those who like to use medium range of smartphone and want to buy a good phone from Vivo can take it without any hesitation. In next video, I will definitely come with the unboxing of the set. Then stay healthy, stay well, stay safe. Goodbye.